Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the letter J from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start off by drawing an angled line at the top here. Then from the ends, let's curve it in. Now underneath the left side, let's draw a line down and then curve it out to the left. And let's do the same thing on the right, where we're going to bring it over, stopping here. Next, in between these lines, let's draw a curve up and then back down like this. Now on the bottom right, add a small curve. Now from the left side, let's draw another larger curve out and connect it to the bottom line. And that's it for the basic shape of the J. Now let's move in and draw the eyes. Inside towards the left, let's draw a line down like this. Then curve it up. And then curve it over at the bottom. And now let's close them off on the right side. Now let's draw the left eye. We'll start a little bit lower from the top and draw a curve out. Then bring it down and curve it back in. Next, let's erase the overlapping line inside. Now inside each eye, towards the bottom, let's draw a curve across. And then underneath on the right, a bent line on both eyes. And then color this section in black. Next, let's move down and draw the mouth. Underneath the left eye, let's draw a curve out and back in. Then from the end, let's curve it down, then another point below and back in. Now let's erase any of the overlapping lines. And lastly, let's add 3 angled lines inside for the teeth. And that's it for the letter J. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!